Hi children, how are you all? I think you're all fine, right? Happy to see you again. Very good. So, before going to start our session, children, shall we start with prayer? Right. Okay, join your hands, close your eyes, and listen to me what I'm saying. Asatoma Satgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityoma Gamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Fine children, close your eyes, take a deep breath slowly and breathe out. Once again, breathe in, breathe out. One more time. Breathe in, breathe out. Now open your eyes slowly, children. Are you feeling fresh now? With this, shall we start the session today? Very good. So, we are going to see about the circulatory system, what we have seen in last classes, last sessions. Okay, what we have seen in last sessions, right? So what we saw about what is circulatory system, its components. The components are mainly blood vessels and heart. We saw in detail about blood vessels and heart, right? So blood is a fluid part by which the food, oxygen and gases will be transmitted to all parts of the body. Next, blood vessels. It is hollow tube through which the blood can be passed to all the parts, right? The types of blood vessels are arteries, veins and capillaries. Arteries are helpful in taking over that is carrying the pure blood to different parts. Veins carry impure blood from various parts to the heart. Next, capillaries. These are thin tubes that connect arteries and veins so that the content of the blood will be exchanged between the organs and the blood. Then, coming to heart. Heart is the muscular organ which pumps the blood to all parts of the body. Okay, it gets divided into 4 sections or chambers, 2 at the left side, 2 at the right side. The pure will be pumped to all parts from the left side of the heart, and the impure blood will be pumped to lungs for its purification from the right side of the heart. Okay, for a normal person, the heart beats 72 times per minute. This is the normal heart rate. Okay, then pulses. What is pulse? The heart pumps the blood into arteries at high speed. This calls pulse. Okay, we can determine the heartbeat with the help of this pulse rate too. Right. So these were the points we discussed in last sessions. Right. So today we are going to discuss about the remaining questions of our workbook. Right, children? Shall we? Okay. Take your workbook and pencil. Be ready with that. We can start to discuss about that. Okay. So the first question is, which food items help in the formation of red blood cells? Okay. Which is help in the formation of red blood cells? The red blood cell can be formed with the help of iron rich food. So we have to eat the food that are rich in iron. Right. Very good. So coming to the next question. How does the function of arteries differ from that of veins? Artery carries pure blood, whereas the vein carries impure blood. Okay, so you have to write the answers in a brief manner, children. Okay, I just give you the clue about the answer. With the help of the clue, you have to write the answer on your own. Don't get afraid of being committed the mistake. I'll correct you the answers. Okay, so coming to the next question, why is blood red in color? Why the blood is red color, children? Because of the presence of the colored pigment called hemoglobin. Right. So the next question is, you have to draw the human heart. Okay, draw the human heart and mention its parts. Okay. So next question is, heart is a muscular organ that pumps blood to different parts of the body. Justify the statement. Okay. So the statement is, heart is a muscular organ that pumps the blood to different parts of our body. They are asking that whether the statement is true or false. If the statement is true, we have to write the answer why. Why it is true. If it is false, you have to describe that why it is false, right? So the next question is, our heart beats 72 times in a minute, and if we hold our wrist and count the pulse rate, it is also 72. What is the correlation between the two? Okay, we saw the point that we can determine our heartbeat with the help of pulse rate. Right? So, how it is possible? You have to write it in a described way, brief way. Okay? So, answer these questions and post it in Classroom app. Okay? I'll correct it for you. Okay, children, for today's homework, you have to complete the page numbers 9, 10 and 11 of your workbook. Okay, so we can see in next session. Alright, till then, stay safe, stay connected. Bye.